Photosynthesis is the process of using carbon dioxide, water, and energy from the sun to create glucose and oxygen. This process happens in two steps. The first is what we call the light reactions. This is when the energy from the sun breaks water into its two components, hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen will be released as a waste product of the light reactions, and hydrogen will move on to the next step, the dark reactions. In the dark reactions, carbon dioxide enters the process. Hydrogen will combine with carbon dioxide to produce C6H12O6, or what we know as glucose. The opposite of photosynthesis is aerobic cellular respiration. This is a process of taking in glucose that was produced by photosynthesis and breaking it down to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy that can be used by our cells, or ATP. This will occur in three steps. The first is glycolysis. This is when glucose will be partially broken down. This process uses 2 ATP to produce 4 ATP. That means there's a net gain of 2 ATP. This process occurs in the cytoplasm of all cells. The second step of aerobic cellular respiration is the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. This is when glucose will further be broken down. The process can produce anywhere between 0 and 2 ATP, and carbon dioxide is released as a waste product. The third step is the electron transport chain, also abbreviated ETC. This is when oxygen will be used as a final electron acceptor and water will be produced as a waste product. This process makes 32 ATP and occurs in the mitochondria. That's where it gets the nickname the powerhouse of the cell. Another form of cellular respiration is anaerobic respiration, also known as fermentation. This is the process that occurs without oxygen. In this process, we only go through glycolysis. So after glycolysis, the glucose is further broken down. There are two types of fermentation: lactic acid, which occurs in all mammals, and alcohol fermentation, which produces alcohol and CO2. This will occur in yeast and other single-celled organisms.